Next activity is holding. Holding is a very important activity, because what happens once you have ordered something from a restaurant and the chef has already prepared it and he is keeping it. Now this is the time of holding. Okay, so keep the hot food hot and cold food cold. This is very important task which has to be followed in the kitchen. When a chef has made something, he has to make sure that he's keeping the hot food either in the bain marie or he's keeping in the hot counter, and the cold food he has to keep in the cold counter, okay, or the cold cabinets. Um, Holding of food for longer period must be avoided. Why this must be avoided? First thing, if the food item is kept for example, let's take example of a soup. Okay, a guest has ordered for a soup and the soup is kept in the bain marie or in the hot counter for a longer period, let's say for 10-15 minutes. What will happen? The consistency, it will affect the consistency. Okay, in case the bain marie or the hot counter is not maintained at the right temperature, there's a chance that it will start spoiling. So there are many things which can go wrong with it. So the guest is paying to you for the hot food or the cold food. So make sure that once you have ordered something, it is not kept in the kitchen area for a longer period. It has to be served quickly to the guest. The next activity is serving. When we are serving food, it is responsibility of all service staff that all service equipments and gear must be cleaned and wiped thoroughly. Okay, when we clean the equipment, okay, sometimes we make sure that okay, it is cleaned with right detergent, clean water, has been sanitized, but when you wipe it with a dirty cloth. So make sure you don't do this practice. All service equipments and gear must be cleaned properly, and after that it has to be wiped with a clean cloth. Okay, food must be covered and taken to the service area from kitchen. Whenever you are taking food item from kitchen to the service area, it has to be covered. You don't keep it open and take. Food service must be quick so that the food is served at the right temperature. Once you ordered something from kitchen, it is ready. Pick it up, serve it to the guest as quickly as possible. Don't keep any gaps in between. Service hygiene must be maintained at all times. It is very important. It is not so difficult. It can be maintained. A server must maintain his hygiene at all times. A server cannot say that no, it's not possible for me, or is not following some practices and taking things for granted. It's not done. He has to maintain his hygiene, because all the things might be correct, but due to his personal hygiene, the food might get spoiled. So make sure you do this. Serving area also must be clean throughout. Whenever you are serving food in a restaurant or in a banquet function, or let's say anywhere, that particular place also where you're serving the food, it must be maintained, it must be clean, it must be hygienic for the guest to sit down and have his food. Okay, so these are the things which you need to keep in mind while serving, so that the food remains safe. The last activity which comes in this is washing. Okay, mostly this thing is not taken into consideration much, but this is a very important thing which has to be followed. All service equipment must be cleaned after use without delay. Okay, once the let's say the plates, the cutleries, the glasswares, anything which has been used by the guest in the restaurant, somewhere in the banquets, once it comes to the wash up area, it has to be cleaned immediately. Don't leave it for a longer period. What is happening now? Let's say there's some food item left over is there in the plate, and you leave it. What temperature it is actually in the kitchen, in the wash up area? It will be definitely between 4 to 63 degrees Celsius. That means it's in the danger zone. Now what is happening? The bacteria start growing in that particular temperature. Okay, so don't let it be there for a longer period. Wash it quickly. All equipment must be cleaned at temperature of 82 degrees Celsius to 88 degrees Celsius in order to kill all bacteria. This is the temperature at which the bacteria dies easily. So make sure all the equipments are cleaned with hot water, as it is done in the hotel. No food stain must be found on any washed item. Whenever you are washing dishes, you must check that there is no stain of food left on the particular. If you find something, you then need to rewash it. After washing process done, all item must be moved to service area, wiped with clean cloth and stored. It is again very important thing. Once the washing has been done, it has to be quickly moved to the service area. You need to wipe it, dry it, and with a clean cloth and store it in the right place. Okay, so these are the points which you need to keep in mind after in the washing activity, so that there is no contamination, there is no growth of bacteria by any chance. Okay, and you keep the particular equipment safe for further use. Okay, students, that's it for in this presentation. Uh, we have discussed till the activities. In the first part of this presentation, we have discussed about the food poisoning and through bacteria and chemical, how it takes place and how we can avoid it. In this slide, we have seen the activities, various food safety activities, which starts from purchasing, receiving, storing, issuing, preparation, cooking, holding, serving, and washing. Now, in the third part, we'll be seeing about the hotel waste management, how the hotel waste management takes place, and we'll be completing with this topic. Okay, thank you so much.